Hello viewers, good evening to all of you. Today I am going to show you how to calculate age by using your date of birth in Microsoft Excel like this. So first go to the start button, open the Microsoft Excel in my computer. Microsoft Excel 2010 is there version. It may be in your computer, different versions will be there. Okay, then you open this one Excel, then you enter the like this date of birth, age. Okay, so you enter date of birth and age. Okay, for this if you want to increase your font size, click this and you put the size 28. Okay, this is only for design purpose to looking good looking. Okay, age also I'm taking here, you take, and 28 I'm giving here. Okay, and you can apply fill color also to attract the, okay, and age also I'm taking this one only. Okay, so this is one. If you want to change fill color also, you can change. Okay, date of birth and age. Okay, now I want to calculate the date of birth. Okay, 01/04/1979. Okay, so again you go here and you take the font size and okay, here also. Now here we have to use the formula dated if. For this we have to go to the, this is the formula bar, type is equal to, and you type whether in uppercase or lowercase, dated if, and open bracket. Now this is the address. Okay, I'm selecting D6. Now D6, comma, you have to give today function, open bracket, comma, then you have to give within the capital letters. So here we want years, just give quotation marks and enter. Now this is the age. So remember the formula to calculate the age is dated if. Okay, one more I want to calculate. So just you go here and like increase the font size. So one more I want to give here. Okay, increase the font size. Okay, same. So now this time no need to type the formula again, just you select here and just you drag, it will automatically show the your date of birth with age. Okay, one more last four I will show you. So again you drag it. Next last one I'm going to show you. Now this is the regarding the date of birth to calculate the age by using the data if formula. So I hope you like this video. If you want borders, just select this one and you give the all the border. So in this way you can give the date of birth and you can calculate the age by using the dated if. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.